Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your Oceania Suite experts. And today I have the great pleasure of being on board the beautiful Oceania Vista. This beautiful suite is one of the penthouse suites on board. It's actually one of the accessible options. Now I'll take you through the space and review the amenities in just a moment, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any room or suite with Oceania, Regent, or Norwegian Cruise Lines, make sure you reach out to the experts at Harr Travel. We know the spaces inside and out and have an incredible relationship with the cruise lines, and we know we can help craft your cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way. Now, being that you've upgraded all the way to a suite, you're going to get early access to all the different amenities here on board. From the reservations to embarking and disembarking the ship, you're also going to have that phenomenal butler service where they can take care of all the details for you. From packing and unpacking to arranging in-suite dining course by course each and every single day. This is a fantastic option for so many of our guests, and I'll show you why as we tour. Now let's tour this beautiful suite. Now, as you walk in the door, you've got an entire wall of storage. As I open this up, you're going to find that you've got your safe. Now, it is lower. I do appreciate the way that they've put that. You also have drawers and the pull-down bar for your hanging storage. You've got more hanging storage up above and down below. Continuing along, as I open this up, you're going to find you've got more pull-down bars for hanging storage, those extra comfy bathrobe slippers. You have a golf umbrella and your Oceania tote, along with the cashmere throw up above. Now, I wanted to mention that the exterior door is automatic, so you can utilize that accessible feature. You'll also find your temperature controls, do not disturb, and make up room button. You can connect that with your device because this is a smart ship. Now, as we head into the bathroom, this is not an automatic door. Keep that in mind based on your needs, but it opens up easily and you've got a smooth threshold in. As we step inside, you're gonna have a large backlit mirror, a nice large vanity to get ready, storage up and down, and those highly upgraded Bulgari bath amenities. This is slightly lower, and then you'll have grab bars around the toilet. I do wish you had the third grab bar here, but it's a wonderful option, especially because you've got these smooth thresholds and easy in and out access. Now, the curtain will pull shut. You can utilize the low grab bar there. You also have an emergency pull. You'll find the shower chair over in the corner there, and then you'll have the controls to have the rainfall shower head up above and the adjustable shower wand. Now, as we step in, you'll see the blue light up above. I love that concept. It's a night light, so when you get up in the middle of the night, it doesn't get you nice and awakened. You can come utilize the restroom, move around the room without having the bright lights on to disturb your partner. Now, as we head further in, you'll find that fantastic tranquility bed. Now, it's highly upgraded mattress, pillows, and linens. You'll find plenty of storage underneath, and they can separate apart into two twins. On either side of the bed, you're gonna have a nightstand. You also have a US plug, USB, and USB-C charger. You'll find the directional reading lamps as well, so you don't disturb your partner overnight. Now, as we head further around, you're gonna find your large flat panel TV, fully interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the ship. In addition to watching television, you've got drawers for storage. You'll also find your mini fridge underneath on the other side. Now, they always provide complimentary sodas, bottled water, coffees, and teas. I love that they have the partnership with Vero Water. They'll replenish with still or sparkling water as you like throughout your cruise. You can also take your water bottles out and they'll replenish those as well. You can take them on an excursion or home with you. You've got a large backlit mirror, US plug, two more USBs and USB-C chargers. You're also gonna find all of your cutlery, stemware, and glassware because you can dine right here in your suite. Speaking of that, you've got a full dining room table here. You also have a US plug, European plug, USB, and USB-C charger. I love the beautiful live orchid. And then directly across, you're gonna find a couch. Now, you can sit there with a nice coffee table, perfect place for a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning. But for me, it's all about that veranda. Let's head out and see what that's all about as well. Now, as we head out to the veranda, I wanted to point out you do have a ramp up and down. It's a pretty good grade. I also wanted to show that as you open this up, that's going to put down the ramp. It is important to know this is not automated. Now, as I head out, you've got two large chairs and a table here. Once again, you can have every single meal right here on your balcony. It's also a perfect place for a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning. Maybe a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening as you take advantage of the beautiful, ever-changing ocean views. Now, I did want to mention you get some incredible upgrades with that executive lounge. The concierge there is going to take care of all the details with your butler. You'll also be able to go there for social reasons. You have access to the Aquamar Spa Terrace and so much more being in a full suite. Now, when you're ready to make this your home away from home or book any room or suite with Oceania, Regent, or Norwegian Cruise Lines, make sure you reach out to the experts at Harr Travel. We know the spaces inside and out, have an incredible relationship with the 3 cruise lines, and we know we can help craft your cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way.